Hi guys, welcome to CodeWide, and today I'm going to discuss a problem called permutation in string. It's a medium level question in LeetCode. So basically this question is very much similar to find all the anagrams in a string, which I have already made the video on. So you do please check that video, because we are using the same code here, but since this we have to return the boolean variable, just the return type is going to change. That's it. But the code, everything will be same as this. So do check this video out for explanation. So once I'll just brief out what's like how to solve this. So basically the question is sorry so basically the question is, we have to find the permutation of s in p. So for example, here we can see we have abc, right? So here bac, right? So if this permutation is seen, return true. That's it. So basically how we are going to solve this. We can solve this using many ways. You can use hash map, you can use multi-set, and you can use sliding window. Here in this case we are using sliding window. It's because it's one of the efficient technique, and for storing the variable, for keeping a track, we're not using a hash map. Without hash map also you can do this problem, because we are not using hash map because we don't want to increase the time complexity. Even if you're using it's fine, but yeah, but I'm not using it. So what we are doing is we are taking two vectors, uh, p and s, that is each of size 26, so, from a to z, and let me just assume uh, for now abc, but just assume there are z elements. So here we get, if we count the variable, if we take the count of variable in a vector, we get 1 1 1, right? This is the s way. This is a string. So each variable has count of 1, and others will be 0 0 0, right? And in p, since we are using a sliding window, we know this size. We have to find something of size 3, because in permutation we know that size and all will be same, right? So we are just creating a window of size 3, and taking other vector and counting the variable, counting if both the vectors are same or not. For example, in this it is eid, right? Let's take a b c d e, and somewhere there is I also, right? So what happens in this case? uh, what do we get? We get something like uh, e I d, right? Then after we get this, we just check if s hash, let's name this as sh, let's name this as ph, right? If sh is double equal to ph, if this is equal, then we return true. It is not equal, so we move the sliding window by 1, that is we add b and decrease e, that is here this will become 0 and b will become 1, right? So it will be 1 1 1, and again we check if sh is equal to ph. No. Again we move the window, that is now c d db, sorry, uh, bac, right? So bac, for bac we have b and a and c. I think we missed out something. No problem. Just we don't get for that. So when the sliding window comes till here, we get the count of each, that is ABC, that's 111. So now SH is double equal to PH, so we say that both are equal, right? So we just return true. That's the basic implementation of we are going to do this. If you did not get this problem, if you did not understand this, please do check the video which I suggested. It's already done. I have explained in brief in that video. Please do check this video. Find all the anagrams nesting. Uh, Let me just write down the code. This code is sorry. This code is very much similar to find all the anagrams. Do check the video again. I'm just reminding you. Let's just run. Uh, what's the issue? Okay, let's take SMP. Okay, sorry, I just named the variable song. It does work. Let's submit. Yeah, it does work. So that is it. All from this video. If you like the video, do like. If you do like the content, do like the video. There are a lot of videos which we have already did. Do check those videos out too. And again, I'm just reminding you, do check this. Find all the anagrams for better understanding of today's question, because this is very much similar to this question. So yeah, do like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned, and bye. Keep coding.